Welcome back everyone. Today, we're learning how to evaluate binomial coefficients in JavaScript. These coefficients are often seen in combinatorics, probability, and Pascal's triangle. Let's explore how we can calculate them with simple loops and math. Binomial coefficients appear in combinatorial problems and polynomial expansions. Given n and k, we want to find the number of ways to choose k elements from n. This is sometimes called n choose k in statistics. Now, let's see the JavaScript code to compute it. This function first checks if n and k are numbers. We then calculate the product of the numerator in the first loop, and then we divide by the denominator in the second. This avoids using factorial functions which can be inefficient for larger values. The end result is returned as the binomial coefficient. The process begins by initializing coef to 1. We multiply a range of values in the numerator, then we divide by each integer up to k. This avoids large factorials and keeps calculations manageable. And finally, we return the coefficient result. Here are a couple of quick examples. For 8 and 3, the result is 56 using our formula and loops. For 10 and 2, we get 45, which matches the known binomial expansion. This shows our function is working correctly. Binomial coefficients are everywhere in the real world. You'll find them in probability, polynomial math, and dynamic programming tasks. They also appear when generating Pascal's triangle for education or data tools. A solid understanding of these coefficients is essential in math-heavy programming. That is how you evaluate a binomial coefficient using JavaScript. In summary, we've built a loop-based approach that is efficient and clear. This method also avoids huge factorials and keeps things precise. Thanks for tuning in, and keep exploring math with JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.